Today's adventure is going to be special. Today marks exactly 2 months since I uploaded my first serious YouTube video, and so to celebrate I decided to go to the place that is the reason I came to Mala. However, I'm a little bit worried because it's 2 hours away, it's rainy season in Indonesia, and I don't really know how to drive this thing. Okay, we just arrived, and so now we're going to start this trek. They said it's about 30 minutes to get to the bottom, so normally, sorry, there's some friends here first. Holy cow. Holy cow. I don't think I've ever seen chickens do that before. Crazy. Look at that, that's crazy. The light is amazing. So I was looking online and it says it was 10,000 rupiah to get in and 10,000 rupiah for parking. But apparently it's 20,000 for foreigners and 15,000 for parking for foreigners. It's still only $2 to get in and to park, so not a big deal. Oh, wow. This is sketchy as crap. Okay, so also, so you guys know, this place is called Tumpak Sewu, and which is Javanese. Tumpak means waterfall, and Sewu means 1,000. And so this place is called 1,000 Waterfalls. Also, this is crazy. This is super steep, and it's annihilated. So definitely do not try to come wearing flip-flops. Make sure you know what you're doing, and be careful. And I think we're here. Look at that. So cool. We're almost there. I can hear it. No way. Craziest thing I've ever seen in my life. That is wild. So it looks like we're going to go all the way down to the very bottom up there. So we'll see how it goes. We're getting all this mist because it's early in the morning, it's starting to heat up. It's crazy looking. Holy crap. This is insane. This is definitely not safe. Oh my gosh. This is psychotic. This is insane. These are so small. Oh my goodness. I feel like it might be better to go backwards. Okay, we're gonna make it. Oh my gosh, that was freaking insane. Look at this, it's a ladder. Oh my goodness, that is crazy. So, if you're gonna come do this, make sure you're prepared. Okay guys, I just made it down to the bottom. That was honestly the most dangerous hike I've ever done in my life. I wish I was joking. We had about 7 or 8 more of those super long iron ladders. It's terrifying. You're like rappelling, literally rappelling for like half of the climb. It was insane. But finally made it down to the bottom, and now I have to figure out how to get around to the waterfall. It's over there. I don't know how people got across. Just walk? Oh, that's pretty fast. This is ridiculous. My whole body is soaked. I just walked through there. Okay, here we go again. Looks like this used to be crossable. This is crazy looking. There's the water. There's so much spray from all the waterfalls. Oh my gosh. It's a little bit better up here. Oh my gosh. I literally feel like I just jumped in a pool. So sad. I was going to try to take some cool pictures over here, but this is impossible. Ooh. Okay guys, found some shelter. Not very good shelter, it's still dripping, but it's still pretty early, so I might wait here and see if when the sun comes out, if it'll get a little bit better. It's really crazy right now. And honestly, I'm a little bit scared about my camera. Because I brought my nicer camera down here to take a nice picture, but it's just soaking wet. My backpack is getting wet too. I even have this like rain thing, but it's still not that great. Maybe wait here, wait and see if the fog clears up a little bit. Hopefully we can get some pictures in a couple hours. I don't know. When the sun comes out, then you can start to see a little bit better. I was trying to come for sunrise because I thought that was going to be the best time and there wouldn't be other people here. Which I was right, there was nobody else here, but also it's too misty and foggy to do anything. Super, super wet. But there's another place over here that's apparently pretty and fun to visit too. So I'm gonna walk over there and then hopefully in a couple hours come back over here and see if it's any better. Well guys, it's about 9:20. I've been waiting here trying to see if maybe the sun would come out and then I'd be able to take some better pictures, but the sun even came out for a while, but apparently it's because it's during rainy season. And so during rainy season, there's just too much water coming out of the waterfall. Which is strange because I'm used to having to think, oh, we have to make sure it rains the day before we go to a waterfall to make sure there's enough water. But now, too much. So unfortunately I won't get any cool pictures, but make sure you come back during this hot season, not the rainy season.